Hi, this is Sara Levin, the Artful Inker. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is the Global Stampin' Video Hop, and we're sharing masculine cards. Here's the one that I've made to share with you. Let's get started. For this card, we're going to use the Biggest Wish stamp set. I just love large sentiments, so this was a must-have for me. And then we're going to use this die cut from the Tasteful Labels dies. These are great because they're both stitched, and some of these are embossed when they cut the different labels. So let's bring our die cut in. This is a piece of basic white, and I've got my Misty Moonlight ink pad. Now, if you would like a size chart for those labels, you can find that over on my blog. And then let's just... Now, lots of surface area, so you want to rub all over and give that time to transfer the ink. Okay, so there's our sentiment. Let's close up my ink pad and put it out of the way. And then I've got a Misty Moonlight card base that's cut at 4 1/4 by 11 and scored at 5 1/2. And then a piece of basic white for inside that is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And I'm adhering it with multi-purpose glue. Just checking to make sure that I've got an even border. And press that down. Now we need our layer piece here, and for that I've used my Stampin' Cut and Emboss and the new Plenty of Patterns decorative masks. These are 3 of the new masks. This one with the 4 Baroque medallions and then flowers all over. Let me set these out of the way. Now, I've spritzed my basic white cardstock with alcohol, and then my sandwich was the specialty plate on top, followed by my decorative mask. This is the 4th mask. And then here's my embossed piece. I'll show you that up close in a moment. And then you want your silicone craft sheet, plate number 3. Take the adapter plate out, and then you've got the base plate. So let's move this out of the way now that you know what the sandwich is. And I'll show you that layer. So you get this great debossed design or embossed design. I think you can see that. So we're going to add that to our card base with dimensionals. And I want the embossed side up rather than the debossed side up. Just giving myself enough dimensionals to support this layer. Anytime you emboss a whole layer, you do weaken the cardstock a little bit, so make sure you give it plenty of support. Okay, straightening this up on my grid paper. And checking my layer here. Okay, now it's time to add my next pieces, and for those I used the stitched triangle dies. Now you can find a size chart for these on my blog as well. They come in isosceles, right, and equilateral triangles, and then you've got this border piece and the piece here that cuts out a little design within, and a banner. So quite versatile. And I've cut my triangles in Misty Moonlight, Soft Succulent, and Mint Macaron. And let's start by adding some dimensionals here on the back and assembling our pieces. Just want to make sure this one is straight. Let's straighten up that card. I think I'm just a little low on the bottom. Okay, and then we're going to double the top and this side, and then single here. Okay, next I want to put my sentiment on before adding the rest of my triangle pieces. So I'm going to double under the O, and I'm going to put another one double here about midway, just to hold all of my pieces so it's not saggy. Oops. Forgot to take the backing piece off. Let's see if we can do that yet, or whether I just need to, I'll fiddle with that another time. Okay, so we're going to put our hello right in here. And then let's add this triangle. I think I want a mini dimensional down here at the bottom. I love that there are two sizes in the dimensional, so I'm not having to cut lots of pieces to fit. I'm all about easy. So again, I want this straight. Okay, and then I've got a couple of additional pairs of triangles here. So let's do the same thing with a regular size and a mini. And we're going to put this up near the top. And just a mini on this guy. And then, pardon me, we're going to so we're doubling this, the full-size dimensional, and then a single on the mini. Oops, not quite straight. Let's straighten that up a little bit. Okay, and there is our masculine card for today. If you're in the United States, please purchase some of your Stampin' Up! Products in my store. You can find a link for that in the description below. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your card making friends. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell if you'd like to be notified the next time I upload a video. And of course, don't forget to click the link in the description below for the next video in today's Global Stampin' Video Hop. Have a good day. Bye.